Good morning, students. In the yesterday's session, we studied the practice set 5.3. So, in this session, I am going to explain you about the probability. The probability of an event is the number of favorable outcome divided by the total number of outcome possible. Number of favorable outcome divided by total number of possible outcome. So, converting the fraction 3 by 5 to a decimal. So you say that there is a 0.6 probability of choosing a banana. Probability of banana is 3 by 5. It means that for choosing a banana, there is how many probabilities are there? 0.56. Means total number of outcome for that is 5 and a favorable number is a 3. Then the probability is calculated by the number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Now see, here also I am giving you the one example, that is the probability of an event. We have to calculate. How to calculate the probability of an event? In the mathematical language, when probability of an expected event is expressed in the number, it is called as a probability. It is expressed as a fraction or a percentage using a formula. Which formula is used to calculate the probability? In a random experiment, if sample space is yours and A is an expected event, all of you know that now, no need to repeat it. What is sample space? What is event? The probability of A means for the event A is P of A, and it is given by the formula probability of an event A is equal to number of sample point in the event A and number of sample point in sample space. Means, for example, in a sample space there are total 10 points are there, and an event there are 5 points are there. Then probability for the event A is 5 by 10. N of A upon N of S. Always remember that. Your probability P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. N of A is number of event, number of sample point of event A, and this is number of sample point of sample space. This is P of A means probability of event A. Okay. Now see, on this basis we have to solve the practice set 5.4. So students, if two coins are tossed, what is our experiment? Experiment is there, two coins are tossed. Before also I explained you, two coins are tossed at a time or simultaneously. The sample space for both the experiment is same. So find the probability of the following events: getting at least one head or getting no head. Now see, the sample space is S is equal to HH, ST, TH and TT. So N of S, total number of sample point for the sample space is 4. What is a first event? Getting at least one head. Means the points where at least one head should be there. So it is HH, ST and TH, and therefore N of A is 3. So P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S, and therefore it is 3 upon 4. So it is 3 by 4. Okay. Now let be the event of getting a no head. There is no any head, means only TT is there. So the event which having there is no head, having a number of sample points are 1, and therefore the probability is equal to N of B upon N of S, and therefore it is P of A is equal to 3 by 4 and N of A is equal to 1 upon 4. This is 1 by and 3 by. Okay students. Next, if two dice are rolled simultaneously, find the probability of the following event. Two dice are rolled simultaneously, it means that this is a sample experiment, and the result of or outcomes of this sample experiment, that is sample space, is 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 up to like this 36 sample points are there in the given experiment. In the given experiment total 36 points are there. Now, what we have to do? We have to see the given event. The sum of the digit on the upper face is at least 10. Means addition of two sum of the digit on the upper face should be 10. It means that what are the outcomes? It will come from obviously 4 comma 6, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5 and 6 comma 6. So these are the sum of the digit on the upper face. At least 10. 10 means 10 or more than 10. Okay, according to that, n of a is 6. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So P of a is n of a upon n of s, and therefore 6 by 36. So it is 16. It is 1 by 6, not a 16. The answer is 1 by 6. Okay, now see the next event for the same sample space. Let be the event that the sum of the digit on the upper face is 33. There is no any such a phrase which having a sum of the digit is 33, and therefore it is empty. So n of b is 0. If n of b is 0, it means that the probability of that event is also equal to 0 upon 36, that is 0. The next event, let's see the event, the digit on the first die is greater than the second die. Now see, these are the sample point for this event. 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 1, like this. How many are there total? There are 15. And therefore P of C is n of C upon n of S. And it is, total is 15 divided by 36. So it is 5 by 12. 5 by 12. Okay, next. Sorry. So next point is question number 3. There are 15 tickets in a box, each bearing one of the number from 1 to 15. One ticket is drawn at a random, means total number of samples points for this experiment is a 1 to 15 number. So find the probability of given event. First, show an even number. From 1 to 15, if you are observing that n of s is 15. So a is the event which is a even number, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. So total is n of a is 7. If it is n of a is 7, then what is P of a? P of a is n of a upon? Yes. And it is equal to 7 divided by 15. Okay. Next. Let be the event that the ticket drawn shown a number which is multiple of 5. So B is equal to 5, 10, 15. So n of b is equal to 3. And therefore P of b is equal to n of b upon ns. So it is 3 upon 15. And therefore it is 1 by 5. It is 1 upon 5. Finish. Next. 3 by 15. Yes, 1 by 5. Next, question number last, that is a 2-digit number is formed with the digit 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repeating. How to form it? 2, 3, 23, 25, 27, 29. After that, 32, 35, 37, 39. 52, 53, 57, 59. 72, 73, 75, 79. And last 92, 93, 95 and 97. So total sample space for this experiment is 20. So let A be the event that the number formed is an odd number. So how many are the odd number? 23, 25, 27. Like this, if you are taking from these, there are total 16 odd numbers are there. So for that, the event is n of P of A is equal to n of A upon n of F. 16 upon 20, that is equal to 4 upon 5. And then next is that let be the event that the number form is multiple of 5. So there are only 4 numbers are there which are multiple of 5. So n of b for the event is 4. So P of b is equal to n of b upon n of s. So it is 4 upon 20 and therefore it is 1 upon 5. So okay student, so this exercise is finished. Try to complete this in your notebook, and like this take any experiment from your own my own logic and prepare one question for probability and write 2 event and send me up to the session time. This is your homework. Okay, goodbye students. Complete homework, complete exercise, everything in a notebook, and just whatever homework I given, that only send me. No need to send all the pages.